Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing something way different. We will be playing Minecraft, so let's get started. I'm currently on my friend Fisher1517 server. Wait, I'm not even typing. Hold on. Okay, now say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, bro. This is just good. You might recognize him, Mumbo Jumbo. But go check out his channel in the description below. Or I will put the description below of his channel. Holy man! Holy crap. That's a lot of emeralds. Someone collected that in survival. How does someone collect that in survival? Oh. Wow. I bet they cheated. So, hope you guys' day is going good. Hope you guys' day is going good so far. Sorry it's a little late because I had school today. So, this is when it's gonna be. So, yeah, that's a lot of nether work. If you guys don't know what Minecraft is, basically it's a game where it's basically like Roblox, just block version. But it's not a bunch of games. You get to create your own and like make servers like this guy did. And so I mean, yeah, I guess so. But this is someone's house. How did they get all this grass? When did this person only have this many farms? Well, that's funny. Oh my. What are you doing? Say your channel name. I'll also put the channel name in the link to the description for his. And you'll also see what he looks like. But that's okay. If that's okay with him. But he'll probably see this video and stuff. Come on, respawn. Hashtag subscribe to Redflame1032. Yep. Do that. I typed it in chat just because I wanted to. But anyway, so also subscribe to my channel. My new channel is SKGTV, or look up, or wait, hold on. Go build yourself the coolest house you have ever built. I'll try. So we're gonna try to do that, I guess. But I need to go find a land. But since we have such a wand, I'll probably just go build a big thing to make it super modern. I'll try. Oh, I have two such ones. I'll try. So I'm not as good as Gran or something. But I'm going to work on some things. Okay. But anyway, subscribe to his channel in the link in the description. He's actually very good at it. He does vlogs and can't speak today. And he also does he plays Roblox and Minecraft. But he hasn't posted in a while, I don't think so. But oh well, that's cool. So he just did this with a command, welcome to fired. See that? That just popped up there. Yep. / set grass. Oh, by the way, when I do things, there's thing done. Oh wow, that's too big. TP to me. This is what I'm going to build the house. So that's what I'm going to build the house on, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, see, he's a YouTuber. And YouTuber rank, because I'm a YouTuber. But if he does it, that's okay. You know. But anyway, let's get to it. So, first we're going to start out with it OMG, I have a good idea. I should build a news update room. You should. That's actually a very good idea. So now we're gonna build the house // Let's go / set. Let's go the wood. Let's just do a normal wood. That look good? Let's make it bigger. Let's go all the way to here. Let's just have wood. And then we'll go boom, because this is a little weird looking. So like right here. But oh, by the way, guys, you will learn some commands to from me doing //wand if you have //wand of the plugin. But that's gonna be the floor of our house. Now we're gonna probably take some quartz. So let's build this. Take some quartz. Let's go. It's not that too far. Let's go up one. And go to here. There we go. So I did a second one. So I need to do it first. // set quartz. There we go. So there's our quartz wall. And then boom, boom. Everyone watching this vid on YouTube, join Pride on Minecraft server. Minecraft. The server IP for this is minehut.com. Minehut.com. I just want to say that in chat. For some reason I like to. So there we go. Let's go up. And then we'll do to here, or whatever we are. /up one. I think this is the way. Or do you go up one more? I think it's up one more. Yeah, it's up one more. So we did a first, so we need to do, no. So okay. The first // set quartz. Whoops. Yep. Guys, do it. Guys, do it. The server is really actually coming together. Pretty good. Basically it's survival, but if Fisher... Uh-oh. What was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh, that's right. So it's basically survival, and if you are... Okay. So that's a guess what we're gonna do. But right now it's basically survival, and if Fisher 1517 lets you, you can be opt, and you can become a helper of the server. Currently I am head builder because I'm like a master at building. Oh wait, I got that wrong. Oh wait, we're supposed to be looking this way. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, press on notifications to see, or like to know when I get uploads, when I upload things. I love uploading videos every day. On weekdays it will be a little late because I have school. Sometimes, depending if I like school closes at the snow. Okay, I need to get the zombies out, but we'll do that later. But anyway, let's go. Boom, boom. And guys, you might be wondering to me like, bro, why are you using like World Edit to cheat? Because World Edit, I mean, I am a good builder, but like, it's like I don't want to have the time to build it because I don't have the time to build it at all. Oh, it's lagging. So let's just do // There we go. 239 blocks affected. And then we'll do here. And now you're probably thinking, why are you adding windows? We'll add those later. We might do a part 2 to this today, depending on how long the video is going to be. What the... Oh, it's that little sword that people used to use. Zombie. Sorry if that's kind of annoying. But you guys can't hear it, but still, it's like, it's light. But... the light not shining at the same. I'm singing now. Did you see that? Did you not just see that? Did you not just... Excuse me for 1 second. Now. Nope. Ah, jeez. Are we gonna have to do this problem again? Got an idea. There we go, there we go. Boop. There we go. Get in there. We're putting these creepers to drown. Get out of my house. Anyway. So let's put... Because the door will go right there, but let's make it modern, because he said super modern, right? Oh, he's invisible. I see. Anyway, let's make it like this, and then I'll put here, of course, because that looks bad. Dun dun dun. Well, and then we'll probably put this in glass. Just like that. And now we're gonna add the windows, but we're not gonna do it in this glass. We're gonna do stain type. Oh, lagging again. I will kill you. I'm gonna respond to him in a second and say, no, you won't. I'm in creative. But he could still Steve montage. Well, okay. So we're gonna make some cool windows by doing this and this. Alright, now you see this? Oh, you guys can also stop with the lightning, dude. You could also watch this video and also build the house with me if you want to. So now we're gonna go. No spiders. Like this. This, like this. We might make it to a part 2, probably. But the part 2 would be tomorrow. Or today. We never know. Depending on the time we have. But... What is he doing now? But now we're going to put 2 windows like this on each side. Let's not have that. Oi! There we go. But see, it looks kind of good. Aimed at the wrong direction. Now we're gonna do some very curved ones. So drop 3, and 3, and then 3, and then 3, and then what? Oh. Yeah, that's the little thing that can change it from night to day. Oh, by the way, guys, go on the server. You can download these plugins for free on the website at minehut.com, and you can play with us or get your own server at the server or the whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. The website minehut.com. I'll leave a description. Well, you can. I'm not gonna leave it. I'm not gonna leave it so like you guys can click on it, go to it. I'll probably just leave like it, but you never know. I might do something. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna cut it out. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. If something weird went on, or like you can't, or like something cut out and you didn't see it when I said it, or like something cut out, or like it's normal, comment in the comment section because something weird happened with my computer. It like randomly like shut down on me. So that's just said. Stained. Alright. Stained. Underscore glass. That didn't work. So let's just say glass. Just do a glass. Okay, it's lagging now very badly. Glass. Glass. So guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to figure out when I post videos every single day. We will be doing a video, or part 2 about this tomorrow. So I see you all in the next amazing video on this. Bye!